Ayan, magandang buhay, Regina. Drinks and 20 pieces of drinks for Sam dahil birthday niya ngayon. It's your birthday, Sam. So, puntahan na natin. Punta na tayo doon sa bahay nila dahil magdi-dinner na sila ngayon. Sila pa lang ang tao doon sa kanila dahil may mga pasok ang mga kapatid at saka yung nanay niya may pasok din yun. Mamaya pang kawag nito, mamaya pang 10:30 ang uwi ng mga oops, buksan muna natin ang ating car para tayo makapasok. Oops. Tayo lang. Guys, doon sa bahay kung saan birthday ni Sam, Sammy Boy. Ayan, happy birthday Sammy Boy. Malapit na tayo guys, malapit na ang bahay ating pagdadala nitong pizza. Halifax, St. John and Ottawa. Ayan, dito yan sa Ottawa. Buti nga open na rito. Hindi na pinaabot ngayong winter. Makaraan, close pa to. Inaayos tong kalsada na to. So, dito na tayo guys. Oops, parang may dinner ang mga bata. Well, ang pasok yung kuya. Dito ang kanyang sasakyan. Alright. Dito tayo. Sasakyan ng kuya niya, oh. Puno ng yelo, ibig sabihin magdamag, maghapon ngayon siya hindi umalis, kaya puno ng yelo. So dito na tayo guys. Hey Yara,
Hi people,
how are you?
I'm good.
Where's Sam?
Nasa masjid.
Oh, nasa masjid. Oh. Kasi bukas may pasok ako, akala ko andito siya.
Oh, thank you po.
Oh, okay.
Really good.
Sino kasama niya pumunta ng masjid?
Sarili niya lang. Kasama mo sarili niya.
Ah, sumakay naman. Hindi man sila naglakad, right?
He walks. He walks. He always walks.
Where's Sail?
Sarah's sick.
Oh, sleeping!
Yeah. We have to make an appointment for her because she's always busy.
Again?
Yeah. So I need to get concerned. So.
Who's busy for what?
I don't know. She just always feels busy. And she can't stand. And she's always sleeping.
It's so weird. Because she's still having a...
She
She always...
Yeah, she always sleeps early
Yeah.
too. So like I don't know what's going on, but she's sleeping.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah.
Some not here, but it's okay.
Um,
Bigay mo nga to sa kanya. Saan na ba yun?
I'll just let him know. He's gonna be home like pretty soon.
Masjid dito sa...
Yeah, banda dyan. Malapit lang.
Oh,
Okay, thank you, Tita.
okay. Good night.
Good night. Thank you so much. Does Mama know you here? No.
She has no idea. That's okay.
Yeah. You can come tomorrow? Yeah. I know work.
Plan tomorrow?
Yeah, we're just gonna have that, but it's gonna be like later at night.
After work.
Usually us.
Always after work, you know?
Yeah. Okay. See you, Tita.
Alright. Good night. Give me a hug for Sail.
Yeah. Hello.
She said she's sleeping, right? That's okay, you don't have to wake her up. So anong dinner niyo na kumain na ba sila kayo? Kumain na siya? Oh.
Yeah, Mama cooked adobo.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah,
Maybe she's
she
good.
cooked adobo.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Nasa masjid pala si Sam. Yan, with the friends. Yan, uwi na ako guys.